not sure when I fell in love with stir fry, but this really quick and healthy dinner is a staple now, at least for me. Let's go through my version of a chicken stir fry today. Let's get some sesame oil in the bottom of a hot pan. I'm using chicken thighs that I've cut up into small pieces, and we're gonna let those sizzle and really start cooking out as we layer the flavors. So I am going to grate in some fresh ginger, and I'm going to add in some salt and pepper as well. Now, as the chicken cooks, I'm adding garlic sauce, soy sauce, and a little bit of hoisin sauce as well. When it comes to this recipe, the vegetables that you use are pretty much up to you. I love vegetables, and there isn't one out there that I don't love. So I am loading it up. But if you don't like broccoli, don't put it in. If you don't like cauliflower, don't put it in. If you don't like celery, put in the vegetables that you like. I pretty much think any vegetable will go here. So in go the veggies, and just make sure that you give it a really good stir and flip around, because we want to coat all of those veggies with that sauce that we created and all those beautiful flavors. And you're just going to let your veggies cook down until they are as crunchy still or as soft as you want them in this particular dish. I like to then add usually sesame seeds on top of my stir fry, but I've got this everything bagel seasoning that I just absolutely love, and it looks so pretty. There you go, a really simple chicken stir fry for any night of the week. Once you finish your stir fry and you're keeping it warm, it is up to you how you want to serve it. You can eat it just like that without any carbs, or you can serve it over rice. That's a wonderful option. I have even used udon noodles, or if I'm in a pinch, those quick instant noodles, and done the stir fry that way. All of those options work. I love that recipes are so versatile. If you are in the mood for stir fry, I hope you try this recipe, and leave me a comment if you have any questions or just want to say hi. Thank you so much for tuning into The Silly Kitchen. I really appreciate every time you stop by, and I hope to see you again soon.